Welcome to your guide for the best movers in Long Beach, California. Long Beach is a vibrant city with over 450,000 residents and a busy port. Moving here or away requires local knowledge and expertise. That's why 3 Movers is your top choice for all types of moves. For long-distance moves, we provide licensed and insured services that guarantee your belongings arrive safely. Our team handles packing, loading, transport, and unpacking, so you can focus on settling in. Local moves can be tricky with narrow streets and busy areas. Our experts know Long Beach inside and out, ensuring your move is smooth and stress-free, whether you're moving to Belmont Shore or North Long Beach. We cover it all: homes, offices, military relocations, and even international moves. With experience across the globe, we help you navigate customs and logistics effortlessly. Need extra help? Our packing and crating services protect fragile items, and our storage options keep your belongings safe if your move requires temporary storage. We even offer same-day moves and vehicle transport. Ready to make your move? Contact 3 Movers for a free quote and expert moving service you can trust.